We are just going to show you guys a sneak peek of what you will be seeing in this video today. It is pretty shocking, so stay tuned.
Cool.
Am I going to be shocked by how bad? Oh, is it the mud dauber thing right there?
That's some of them.
Oh no. Oh!
Yeah. That was their whole nest.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Everywhere. Alright, so this side. I was about to say just as bad as the other side. This thing's completely gone. Rotted out. Crazy. I'm gonna have to rip all this out. And let's get to it.
Fridge was actually a little difficult to get out. I was moving that door so I could get to some of the screws from where I thought there were some. And then another mud dauber wanted to drop a visit on me, so I had to take care of that guy. But then I headed back to the fridge and just pulling off everything I can to see if I can get at this fridge and get it out. Luckily, I'm able to get it out eventually, but it took a little bit of work.
So this part cracks me up because when I watch it, I feel like all I can see is what's going through Jake's mind of like, what is coming out of the bottom of this fridge? Yeah, face mask might be good for this.
Cool. Alright, I guess we found the home of all the mud daubers. Pretty crazy, huh?
That's so bad. Oh my gosh.
I know.
I'm so glad we took it out.
Me too.
Yeah, we're just gonna get a new fridge. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You see all of, and I'm pretty sure there's some even behind the insulation too. Because I saw it. Yeah.
It's really bad. Oh, that gives me cringy vibes.
I'm going to zoom in on it.
I mean, could you see some of these?
I could only see very, very, like, tiny. Like, that size.
Here, hand me the phone.
That size. I will. Okay. Yeah, that's
They're everywhere. Oh
yeah,
my god.
I bet you I pull back this insulation, it's gonna be twice as many back there. Look at the little noodles coming out
I
of that
know,
one.
it's what I was zooming in on.
Little nodules. Yeah.
And then there's tons of holes over here, and like
I'm really happy we're getting rid of.
and like bug guts and stuff all along the edges of our fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's so bad, babe.
Oh yeah. No, I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, no, we gotta. Yeah, I gotta vacuum this. This is gross.
It's disgusting.
Look at the little larvae.
No, please don't
Not
stop.
live, they're dead.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'll be ripping this out for sure.
I feel like the smell's weird too.
It's the killer.
It is?
Yeah. It's like oily pesticide smell.
Okay. All right.
But
Well,
back to it, right?
Yep. So, people tend to cut their fridges in half. And we devised a new way to get our fridge out.
We don't know if it works yet.
Oh, it's gonna work.
We hope it works. Yeah, can you move that closer? Or turn it sideways?
Hey,
or something?
Jake.
So it
Jake.
can get closer?
Jake, watch your head. Jake!
I'm supposed to do something here?
Just hold it. So I'm gonna scoot it out far. Hold it up.
Barely. Oh, no. Drop it, babe.
I have it.
What? What kind of... I don't have any muscles.
Alright, we'll stay right there.
Can I hold this weight?
Stay right there.
I think it needs to be sideways. No? No? Even the other direction?
Put it back.
I'll put it back. I think if you turned it. Be this way.
That's not good.
I think it will because these feet we can tuck underneath and over and then pull it down. Are you sure this way won't fit? Weirdly looks like it would. Like if we tilted it sideways.
If we push the wall just a little bit, we can barely squeeze it out.
Yay! Through the floor! It works!
To the floor. I can understand now what everyone talks about. Terrible.
But you don't want to saw your fridge in half. Just take out the floor.
Just take out your wall of floor and you'll be able to do it. The mud daubers are
really bad.
super bad. Yes, super bad.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Seems like they're behind every single thing we pull out, which is great. They made it their home. It's ours now, so we're evicting them.
And like you guys saw in our last video with Caitlin, we did get a new fridge. So we're gonna be putting that in soon.
Yeah, I didn't get to put that in, so sorry for the teaser, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for the next video to see that going in. Next one or the one after. Not sure yet. But yeah, making some headway on this thing. Got the old torn apart, got the fridge out.
Yep, and we learned we did not have to cut our fridge in half.
Yeah, no, I don't have to cut the fridge in half.
No.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, if you didn't, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment below.
No, only thumbs up is
Thumbs
welcome
up,
here.
only welcome.
Haters are not welcome.
I still love the haters though. Catch you on the next one.
Bye guys.